Hello dear friends. In this video, Pinto and I. This time round, Pinto refused to stay. He just wanted to be with us. So in this video, Pinto and I are going to teach you the sentences. Now, when I read the sentence, or when Pinto reads the sentence, you have to listen to the word that has sound ah for antelope. We said antelope reads ah, ah, ah. Yes, that's amazing. And now I'm going to read you the sentence and then you tell me whether the word, or rather which word has sound ah in that sentence. For example, cars use fans. What? I said cars use fans. Which word has sound ah in that sentence? Let me read it again. Cars use fans. Which word has sound ah? Okay, let me first tell you. The word is fans. The word is fans. Yes, the word is fans. So that's what I want. So I read the sentence and you just pick only one word that has sound ah and you tell it to our children. Okay. Yes, now you got it? Yes. Okay, now let's go. Ants went to eat. Ants? No, you listen. Ants went to eat. Which word has sound ah? Ants. Good. The word ants has sound ah in that sentence. Wonderful. Then we did our maths well. We did our maths well. Which word has sound ah? All right, the word is maths. Okay? Maths. Yes, that's the word that has sound ah. All right. Now, the next sentence is, apples are good to eat. Apples are good to eat. Which word has sound ah in that sentence? Apples. Yes, apples. That's good. Apples. 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 All right, and the next sentence. Mom uses pans to cook. Mom uses pans to cook. Which word has sound ah? Pans. Yes, pans. Wonderful. You've got that right. And we ate sweet bananas. We ate sweet bananas. Children, which word has sound ah? Please tell it to Pinto. We ate sweet bananas. Which word has sound ah? Yes, bananas. That's amazing. And rat is another name of mouse. Rat is another name of mouse. Which word has sound ah? Rat. Yes, rat. That's good. The word is rat. 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 Wonderful. That you got it right. And then kittens are young cats. Kittens are young cats. Which word has sound ah? Cats. Good. Cats. Cats. Yes, cats. That word has sound ah. And then bats hung upside down. Bats hung upside down. I know that sentence is very tough. Bats hung upside down. Which word has sound ah? All right, children, tell the word to Pinto. Yes, bats. Right, bats. Bats. Wow. And then the last sentence is, birds make good soup. Birds make good soup. Which word has sound ah? Tell us, which word has sound ah in that sentence?
Well, I don't hear any word.
You're amazing. There's no word that has sound ah. Listen to this. Birds make good soup. Birds make good soup. So there is no word that has sound ah. You are so amazing. Thank you, our beloved children, for being champions. Thank you, Pinto.
You are welcome.